Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to disable YouTube Shorts on Android. Without further ado, let's get started. When you open the YouTube app and see that the Shorts tab opens up in the normal home page, or you just don't want the Shorts to always appear, know that you can remove it. To do it, inside the YouTube app, at the bottom, tap on U tab. Next, tap on the gear icon at the top right side. Then tap on Time Management. From here, scroll down until you find Shorts Feed Limit. Enable this option. You will get this pop-up window. Here, set your limit to 0 minutes. As you can see down here, now you have Shorts Feed Limit enabled. After you have done that, tap on the back button to go back to YouTube homepage. As you can see here, I still have Shorts on my homepage. Now I'm going to tap and swipe down to refresh the homepage. Now, as you can see, I no longer have Shorts on my homepage. If you tap on the Shorts tab right here at the bottom, you can see that I have this notification that says that I have reached my Shorts feed limit. Right at the bottom of this page, you have the option to go home or to ignore it if you choose to do so. And that's how you disable YouTube Shorts on Android device. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.